Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week we are going to unbox a new brand, at least it's a new brand in my channel. So I don't know how many people heard about this brand. So let me just start off with this. So here it is. So this is a brand called UCC. This is actually a coffee company and I think they did this as promotional item. So that's what I came to know, but I'm not 100% sure they are actually selling this in Japan or not. So here it is. So it comes with this cool case. This is plastic. It's not acrylic or something. So I bought this for somewhere around 500 rupees. So which is really nice. And this they advertise as 1:64 casting. But honestly, this is huge compared to, see, I don't consider Hot Wheels as a true 1:64, but even compared to Tomica's which I have here or even my stores which I have here, this is actually huge. So here it is. So the first one, so I think this is the Countach. Yeah, this is the Countach. This is the basic Countach, and let's go to the next one. Here it is. This is the Countach Water Wolf edition, 50 years anniversary edition. So this looks really awesome, and I do have another Countach, which is this is a 25th year anniversary edition. This is in black color, and so this is the Miura Jota, and we did unbox a Miura Jota, by Tomica. You can see that here in the back. So that was a beautiful casting. So I bought two of it. After a long search, I bought the second one. So here it is. And next one, one of my personal favorite, the Reventon. So luckily I was able to get my hands on this particular casting. Okay, last but not least, a lot of people will go nuts over this casting, which is this, the Skyline RS Turbo Silhouette. So I'm really lucky to get this particular casting because originally I thought of avoiding this one, but end of the day I was like, hey, okay, at least buy one and see how this one looks. So okay guys, so this is going to be this whole week unboxing. So stay tuned for this, and because I honestly don't know how this brand is, so we are going to explore it together for the very first time. So stay tuned for this, and as usual, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.